While crypto headlines chase Bitcoin's highs or the latest meme coin craze, a quieter revolution is brewing. Imagine a new kind of highway for global money, built to bypass the traffic jams of old-school banking. That's XRP, the digital asset from Ripple, silently weaving itself into the world's financial system. It's like a master spy infiltrating the heart of global finance. Let's unpack this secret war and what it means for the future of money. Disclosure: this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not endorsing buying or selling XRP or any cryptocurrency. Sending money across borders today is like mailing a letter by horse and buggy. It's slow, expensive, and you're never quite sure when it'll arrive. Traditional systems like SWIFT, the old postal service of global banking, can take days and charge 2 to 5% per transaction, locking up billions in trapped funds. Think of it like your money sitting in traffic, waiting for middlemen to pass it along. Ripple's solution is like building a high-speed maglev train. Its platform, RippleNet, uses XRP as a universal adapter, like a power strip that works in any country. XRP converts your dollars to yen or euros in seconds, settling transactions in as little as 4 seconds for pennies. Santander Bank says tech like this could save banks $20 billion per year. That's not just a tweak, it's a whole new road system for money. But here's the twist. Ripple's not shouting about it. They're quietly laying tracks while others chase headlines. Is this stealth a genius move or something to question? Share your thoughts in the comments. Ripple isn't just building tech, it's playing a high-stakes chess game with regulators. Think of regulators as the strict referees of the financial world, deciding who gets to play. In 2020, the SEC, the US financial watchdog, sued Ripple claiming XRP was an unregistered security, like selling stock without permission. It was a grueling match, costing Ripple $150 million in legal fees. But in 2023, a judge ruled XRP isn't a security in public markets. A huge checkmate. The SEC settled for $50 million in a fine, giving Ripple clearer rules than most cryptos. Now Ripple is doubling down, spending $48 million on pro-crypto political groups like Fairshake to influence US laws. They want crypto overseen by the CFTC, a friendlier referee, instead of the SEC. It's like lobbying to change the rules of the game to favor your team. Is Ripple selling out crypto's rebel spirit or cleverly securing its place in finance? Let's debate it below. And again, this is educational content. I'm not telling you to buy or sell XRP. Imagine global finance as a massive train network, with every country running on different tracks. ISO 20022 is like a universal rail gauge, set to standardize payments worldwide by 2025, used in places like China, India, and Japan. Ripple jumped on board early, becoming the first blockchain company to join the ISO 20022 standards body in 2020. This move is like getting a VIP pass to the global finance club. It makes Ripple's tech plug and play with banks worldwide, speeding up transactions and boosting transparency. It's not just following rules, it's helping write them. But does cozying up to the financial elite betray crypto's outsider ethos? Tell us what you think in the comments. Ripple isn't just building tech, it's working with banks to become one. They've applied for a US banking license and a Federal Reserve master account. Picture the Fed as the ultimate bank vault, and Ripple's trying to get a key. If approved, they could settle payments directly with the Fed and issue their RLUSD stablecoin, a digital dollar backed by real cash, without middlemen. They've even teamed up with BNY Mellon, America's oldest bank, to hold RLUSD's reserves, adding major credibility. It's like a startup getting an invite to the exclusive banking country club. But is Ripple trading crypto's freedom for a suit and tie? What does this mean for the future of decentralized money? Drop your take below. And remember, this is for education, not investment advice. Ripple's sights are set beyond banks, to central banks, the ultimate money printers. They're pitching XRP as a universal adapter for central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, like a global power strip for digital money. They've already tested a stablecoin in Palau and are rubbing elbows with big players like the BIS, the central bank of central banks. In a world where US-China tensions and sanctions are splitting finance apart, costing up to $5.7 trillion, Ripple's neutral tech could be a bridge across divides. It's like a diplomatic career sneaking money through geopolitical roadblocks. But here's the catch. Public ledgers like XRPs could enable financial surveillance. Is Ripple a hero for efficiency or a risk to privacy? Let's talk about it in the comments. Let's tackle the big question. Is XRP truly decentralized? Crypto's supposed to be like a leaderless rebellion, but critics say Ripple's huge XRP stash and influence make it more like a corporate boardroom. Ripple counters that it only runs one of over 150 validators, and network changes need 80% approval. The SEC ruling backed them, saying XRP isn't a security in public trades. With 75,000 XRP holders in 143 countries, the community's broad. Ripple's pushing a practical view. Decentralization means utility and security, not just no bosses. It's like saying a highway's free as long as everyone can drive on it, even if one company built it. Is this the end of crypto's wild spirit or a step toward real-world use? Share your thoughts. Once more, this is for education, not a pitch to buy or sell XRP. XRP is not just another crypto. It's a stealthy architect reshaping global finance from within. But is this silent takeover a win for efficiency or a slide towards centralized control? What does it mean for your wallet's future? Hit that like button if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more crypto deep dives, and let's keep this debate alive in the comments. Is Ripple's strategy a master plan or a deal with the financial devil? You tell me. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Craving more crypto insights? Check out our other videos and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.